Welcome back to the Loop Tech Vue.js podcast. In this episode, we're gonna talk about the top 10 Nuxt or Vue.js YouTube creators to follow. So, in the number one spot, we have Daniel Rowe, that is the one of the core members of Nuxt, and is creator of a lot of the Nuxt modules that we use. So I think one that I use in every single project is the Fontaine, and it's really handy. So and he have a lot of different videos around related to Vue.js and to Nuxt.js. So he can give you like small tips, and uh, you can as well go and look into in-deep conversations that he have most of the times on the stream. Like like preparing some releases or merging some branches to the Nuxt GitHub repository or wherever not. So yeah, is the number one, I think, and as well because I tweeted him and he's really responsive as well. I tweeted him a couple of times and I got really nice response as well. So yeah, for me, he's the number one. The rest will be in no specific order. So yeah, the rest is so are the channels that I usually watch and usually recommend as well, but they are not in particular order. So yeah, and the next one will be vueschool. ViewSchool have a lot of different Vue specific topics, but as well they have a lot of different talks. So a lot of JavaScript talks, a lot of different Vue talks, and it's really nice because that way you can actually see what's going on the industry, and with the different talks you can get an in-depth knowledge of something else as well. So yeah, they're really good videos of whichever talk that you want to watch or whatever not. And they have a really in-deep as well Vue topics. So yeah, Nuxt School is a really good resource as well. So yeah. The next one is Alexander Lichter. Lichter. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I can't pronounce this really well. So is I chap your name in multiple pieces already, so I'm sorry for that. So Alexander Lichter. So there you go. And he have a lot of different Nuxt specific videos, to be honest, and I really like them because they're not too long, they're not too short, so they're in between, and he explore different topics, really in-depth topics, so like compatibility, date. So this is one of the things that I like really like about his videos a lot, is that he is really up to date about everything, so like the compatibility date on Nuxt was something that I just saw on my terminal the other day when I was updating a Nuxt project, and I was like, "What is this?" I didn't understand why it was a date on my config file. So then I saw the video that he paused like 3 or 4 hours out before that, and then he went in deep into explaining why it was why did they use it and how did they use it and all the kind of stuff. So yeah, a shout out to him. And he's the host of the what is called now DejaVue podcast as well. So if you haven't heard a podcast about Vue.js, DejaVue is a podcast that is really nice because they talk with the core. They have a lot of talk with the core members, and they give you like a really in-depth information about everything Nuxt.js and Vue.js. So yeah, shout out to that. The next for me is John Komarnicki. John Komarnicki. I'm sorry. I'm so bad at names. I'm so sorry. So these are videos are really well crafted. Really well crafted, and they are amazing. They're short videos. That's for sure. They're short videos, but they go straight to the point, and he give you a really good explanations of what's going on the video, why he's doing things the way he's doing it, and what are the consequences of them, right? So yeah, and they're small, easy to digest, related to Nuxt and to Vue.js. So yeah, there you go. The next one is Team Benniks. Benniks. So love the touch of the music of this guy. To be honest, I really like the videos when one of the talks that I watched was related to the video, to the music, and how he was making music and then displaying the things on the screen or whatever. Not, it was really, really cool. So if you guys want to watch his videos, there's a really, really good videos as well. So, and one of the videos that I really like is the one related to how he got 100 in all of the Google speed with and what tricks did he use, and why he used them, and how did he got there, and all that kind of stuff. So it's really, really nice. So yeah, subscribe to him, subscribe to all the channels, of course. But yeah, and the next one is Kaizen Codes. This guy is crazy. He have a really nice, really good videos as well. So really nice examples of Nuxt applications on the real world. And yeah, one of my favorites is about the Nuxt content blog with the firebase. So, and like the building a bookmark manager with Nuxt 3, SOD, and database, SQL. Yeah, this is one of those videos that you watch and you should follow step by step of what he's doing, so that way you can learn a little bit more on how things are, how he put everything together, and the end product is really nice as well. So yeah. The next one is Behon Baker. And this guy is the author of a lot of the Nuxt modules that you use. Probably I use, well, at least I use a lot of them. So he talked on one of the videos that I like a lot about that he really go in deep in details. Is the video related to the Nuxt module split panels, and how he convert npm package into a Nuxt module, so that way he give you all the details of what are the first steps, what do you do after that, what are the possible errors that you encounter, and how do you create a Nuxt module based on a npm package. So, and he is the author of the UI thing components library. So yeah, there you go. And the next one is Vue Mastery. Yeah, Vue Mastery. I am a fan of Vue Mastery for quite a time already. So yeah, I remember that I went to one of the meetups of Vue.js in Orlando. And before that, I met one of the founders of Vue Mastery, that he was giving a learn to code, hands-on code in one of the meetups that I went on Orlando, and that will left a really good impression of him. And he's a really nice guy. So I don't remember the name, but yeah, that is that. So yeah. Yeah, and the videos that they provide are really, really well crafted, though. Really, really well crafted, and the details that they provide and the information that they provide is really good. And I think they have sales here and there, or free weekends or whatever on their courses, of course. So yeah, if you're looking to learn Vue, I mean, Vue Master is there. So that is that. The next one is Learn Vue. Learn Vue are small and really good videos, and they give you a lot of explanations on how the inner gear is working, why it's working the way it's doing, things, and he give you like a little by little information so you can understand better and know what's going on, or why is a module doing something, or why is a composable doing something, and how can cause problems if you don't understand how the thing is working and all that kind of stuff. So he provide tips and probably some points that you can using some Nuxt composables on the wrong way, and how do you can actually use them in a better way. And yeah, I think that is basically all. I mean, he have a lot of different topics and related to Vue, to Nuxt. So yeah, please subscribe to learn Vue. The next one and the last one from my list is Programming with Eric. Programming with Eric is by far, I think, that one of the channels that I have been subscribed for quite a time, because I saw this video since, I don't know, long time ago. So, but he provided a lot of different topics as well. So that's what I like as well. He provide like a lot of Vue topics, Tailwind topics, and how to integrate Tailwind with Vue, TypeScript with Vue, and the different modules that they're working on, because I think he's working on Amazon, and he provide like in deep details of what they're working on as well. So how you can use them with Vue and integrate them with with the Nuxt or whatever not. So yeah, I think that's all from my side. So I put the list on DejaVue. So if you guys want to read it, or you want to get the links to the channels or whatever not, subscribe to the creators, so we can get more Nuxt content, so we can learn a little bit more, So yeah, and that's all from my side. So happy hacking, and remember that always ask questions, and yeah, ask questions so we can all learn. And don't forget, if you don't see your favorite creator here, or you don't see the creator that you think should be on this list, just let me know. Let a comment on the blog post, or on the video, or on the podcast. Please let me know, so that way I can be aware that there are other creators that I should be paying attention to, and yeah, learn more from them. So yeah, that is all from my side. Thank you very much, and yeah, happy coding.